The pros and cons of stone flooring in your house. Dear friends, stone floors are beautiful and unexpected, not to mention long-lasting. Aside from concrete, stone flooring is perhaps the only flooring solution that works just as good outdoors as it does indoors. However, stone floors come with a hefty price tag that requires some thinking before making the final choice. If you're new floors for your home, take these pros and cons of stone flooring into your decision-making process. What is stone flooring? Natural stone flooring is a style of tile that's cut directly from stone blocks. Natural stone comes from various mountain-borne minerals, usually marble, granite, travertine, limestone, and sandstone, unlike artificial stone products. Pros of stone flooring. Long-lasting. Stone floors are by far one of the most durable materials out there. Choosing stone floors is a choice that will last for years to come. Works indoors and outdoors. To achieve an indoor-outdoor seamless flow masterfully, there's no better material than stone. Because stone floors work well indoors and outdoors, you can connect both spaces and give the illusion of more space. Stone stays naturally cool. For houses in warm climates, stones can keep cool, which is crucial for temperature control, particularly during the summer months. Stone floors can be energy efficient. For homes with cold winters or colder climates, stone flooring works well with radiant heat because it's a natural heat conductor, making it a top choice for designing an energy-efficient heat system. Controls allergens. Unlike other flooring materials, stone floors can help keep allergens and dust at bay. The non-porous surface of stone makes it impossible for allergens to hide and collect. Cons of stone flooring. Stone flooring is expensive. Unlike other options, stone can be pricey, especially natural stone flooring. Shipping costs and installation costs can be significantly higher than other flooring options. Stone stays naturally cool. Because stone tends to remain cold, this has both pros and cons depending on where you live. For houses in colder climates, stone flooring can be a tad uncomfortable if you don't have a radiant heat system installed underneath. Can be slippery. Wet stone can get slippery, making it not ideal for rooms like the kitchen or bathroom. Of course, some sealants and finishes can help with this, but they can still become quite slick when the stone gets wet. Prone to water damage. Stone flooring is susceptible to water damage. Natural stone can easily stain, scratch and chip when exposed to water. It makes falls more dangerous. The natural strength of stone flooring can make slip and fall accidents more hazardous as there is less cushioning from the floor. Requires skilled installation. Stone flooring is heavy and requires professional installation. Part of this is what makes the shipment, installation and project completion process that much challenging. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.